Waterfall, and we're set up under the tree here. It's busy here today. Packed some snacks if you watched the video earlier. Everybody's enjoying themselves. The kids are over in the water with the pool noodles. I'm getting a glimpse of the falls.
Lady, come. Lady.
It looks like my kids made a friend. I'm gonna go over by the dock. There's Stuyvesant Falls. The previous video I showed you, there has three where the water comes falling off of the rocks and goes all the way at the top. It's a hydropower. We're going to go over to the front of the docks. I got my shoes on because it's rocky. And my kid's going to go into the water. They brought their sand toys, but I don't know if they're going to be using it. Down in front of the dock, I'll show you another view of the waterfall again. There's the full view. I'll be coming again at least twice a month. I want my friend to come up so we can do the trail. And I'll do a full video of the trail. Waterfall behind me. It is very sunny here today. I just love it here. We come here very often because it's a nice, clean, free watering hole.